The biggest difference between n8n and other automation platforms like Make.com or Zapier is that n8n is open source. This means you can self-host it for free. Hey, I'm Lucas and I will show you how to set up self-hosted n8n in 3 minutes. Let's get started. Begin with GitHub. Create and confirm your account if you don't already have one. If you are into automation or AI, you will need GitHub sooner or later. Next, go to railway.com and log in using your GitHub account. After login, click Create a new project and search for n8n or click on the n8n logo on the left. Let's use n8n with workers and click Deploy. Keep the configuration as it is and click Deploy again. Now you can watch your configuration deploys. If you don't see all 4 elements, like here, click and move them around, probably it's hidden somewhere. Also, if you can see no deploys for this service, just click on that and click Deploy the image. It will start the deployment again, so we can check if all the services are deploying. Finally, let's set up our own custom DNS. It's optional and you can continue without it. Select Primary and go to Settings. Click on Add Custom Domain and enter your full domain. In my case, it will be n8n.ostrowski.pl. Click Add Domain, copy the provided value and go to your DNS config. I use Cloudflare. Let's go to DNS. Add new record. For the type, search for CNAME. In the name field, put n8n. Target, let's paste our value. And also keep proxy status to be enabled because n8n supports that. Click Save. And now wait a few seconds to a few minutes for your domain to be ready. Let's check it out. Go to new page, n8n.ostrowski.pl. Enter. Finally, set up your free admin account and your own n8n is ready to use. All you need now is to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check out my other n8n videos.